Imagine a war zone, the sky filled with enemy drones and missiles. But suddenly, no rockets launched, no cannon fire, no explosions. Only a flash of invisible light, and in a blink, a burning metallic body falls from the sky. No sound, no smoke, just silent destruction. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is Iran's new reality. Yes, Iran has just unveiled a terrifying laser weapon, one that could change the entire balance of power in the Middle East. According to Iranian military officials, this new homegrown laser defense system can melt or burn enemy drones, helicopters, even high-speed missiles, right in midair. They call it the silent killer. But how does it work? And why are world powers like the US and Israel so alarmed? The secret lies in the power of concentrated light. This laser fires an invisible beam at the speed of light, generating intense heat that can melt metal within seconds. Unlike traditional missiles, it doesn't need gunpowder, rockets, or warheads. It just needs electricity. As long as the power keeps flowing, it can keep firing endlessly. Now, here's what makes it truly dangerous. There are three main reasons the world is worried. First, the cost. Destroying a drone with a missile costs millions of dollars, but one laser shot, just a few bucks. Second, it has unlimited ammo. As long as it's connected to power, it can shoot forever. And third, it's almost invisible. No smoke, no sound, no visible light, which means the enemy can't even locate where it's coming from. That's why it's being called the silent death from the sky. Iran's announcement sent shockwaves through defense communities worldwide. The US and Israel, the two nations most frequently opposing Iran, are now watching closely. Because their greatest military advantage has always been air dominance, powerful drones, jets, and missile systems. But this cheap, quiet weapon could threaten that dominance completely. Analysts say Iran may have just opened the door to a new kind of arms race in the Middle East. Now, Iran insists this weapon is 100% homegrown technology, but not everyone believes that. Inside international defense circles, rumors suggest that China may have secretly helped Iran develop this weapon. If that's true, it means one of the world's biggest superpowers is quietly fueling a new laser arms race in the Middle East. And that changes everything. Of course, America and Israel aren't sitting idle. The US is now racing to complete its own DEM-100 laser defense system, while Israel has already announced the Iron Beam, a next-generation laser defense, to work alongside the famous Iron Dome. It's a race of light versus light, where every second counts. But Iran's progress doesn't stop there. They've already shown off robotic war dogs, hypersonic missiles, and advanced combat drones, all built under strict sanctions. It proves one thing: Tehran is no longer a follower. It's becoming a self-reliant military power, and the West can no longer ignore that. We may be witnessing the dawn of a new era, where wars are fought not with bullets or bombs, but with beams of light. A war of technology, precision, and silence, where destruction comes without warning and death has no sound. So what do you think? Is Iran's laser weapon truly the future of warfare, or the beginning of a dangerous new arms race? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Why and How for more amazing and shocking stories from around the world.